friends, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new then welcome to the channel. So in this video we are going to install VS Code, which is a code editor, and we are going to install it on our system, which is Windows system. So let's just type install VS Code for Windows, or let's just leave it as it is. And we are going to visit this website, which is code.visualstudiocode.com. And here we will find these links to download VS Code. So we will go for Windows, and I will click on the download button. So here, yeah, it is going to download the VS Code in the download section of our file explorer. So I can see that it is getting downloaded. So let's just wait for it to complete. I will get back to you within a minute.
A few moments later.
So here we can see that the VS Code is downloaded in our system. So I will double click on this, and yeah, we have to accept the agreement and then click on next button and leave it as it is. Leave this as it is. If you want to change, you just click on this browse, and here we will just check on this so to create a desktop icon, and then we don't have to do anything over here. So click on install, and it will start installing VS Code in our system. So just wait for a few seconds or minutes so that it will do its work. And yeah, it's almost done. Yeah, so you can see an icon over here. Now let's launch the VS Code. So it will open VS Code. Yeah, so we can choose our theme as dark theme, light. Mostly developers do not use light theme, so just we will go with the this dark high contrast theme. So yeah, this theme is good for me. I do work with this theme only. Now, yeah, you can start coding. You just open any folder, you just make some files and start coding. So we have successfully installed VS Code on our system. So yeah, if you liked the video, then please don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.